In this video, we're going to talk about how to adjust a crutch. So a couple of things that I wanted to point out. When you have a crutch, you're going to have some type of padding here at the top for underneath your arm. You're also going to have some type of padding here for your hand. Now, when you go to adjust this, typically on most crutches now, you're going to have something right here. This is a bolt and a wing nut that's going to allow you to adjust the handle height. So you would loosen the wing nut. Then on the other side, the bolt, you're going to release that by probably pushing it out from the other side. Then you can move this handle up and down to the appropriate height. Now, the bottom of the crutch adjusts here, and again, most commonly, there's some type of a push pin system that will adjust the bottom of this up and down just like you do a leg on a walker or on a cane. You also will have a tip on the end of the crutch. Couple of things to be careful of with the tip. If you come in from outside and you've been in gravel, you need to check for gravel in this, because if there's something in it, it could slide across the floor right out from underneath you. As well as if you come in from outside and it's been raining or it's wet, you need to make sure this is dried off. Make sure you keep track of the condition of your crutch tips if you're using them for a long period of time, because they can get worn out. Now, when you're adjusting the overall height for yourself, you're going to be standing up nice and tall. You're going to relax your arm at your side. The top of the crutch should not be resting up into your armpit. You should have a good 2 to 3 fingers width between the top of the crutch and your armpit. Your hand or your hand hold down here should hit you about wrist level, so that you have this nice little bend in your elbow when you're bearing weight through that crutch handle. Again, just to reiterate, we do not want to hang on the top or rest on the top of your crutches. There's a lot of nerves that go through your armpit that could be injured if you do so.